Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be talking about how to build a custom monitor stand. This is this little extra stand you see on top of the desk behind me. This is completely custom built, all using parts from IKEA. Today's video I'm going to be showing you the parts I used, some of the things I learned along the way, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make it. It's really easy to do. Let's jump right into this. So I will say this concept is not 100% original to me, so I'll be leaving links to those in the description down below if you want to check out the original people. So we're going to be using a couple of simple things from IKEA. The first we're going to be using is Capita feet. Now these are super cheap, they're around €9 for 4 little feet. And thankfully in the box we actually get everything we need. We get the feet themselves, the bracket that can stick into any sort of plank of wood that you would need, and we even get all the screws and washers included in the box, so you can have everything you need with that. The second thing we're going to be doing is any kind of board or plank from IKEA that you need. In this case I use the EKBY. I'll be leaving links to everything in the description down below. Currently my stand size is 80 centimeters by 30 centimeters deep. There is a couple of other stands that are a little bit shorter and narrower. However, there's also 120 by 30 centimeters if that's more your style. Although of course you can get a custom piece of wood or anything. Once you have these feet you can do a lot of options with this. Now there is a few things to keep in mind when you're trying to set up the feet on top of this board. In this case you can kind of go for an original layout where you put one in each corner. You can go for more of a triangle square layout. Now how you set this up will completely depend on how much weight you're putting on it, where the weight will be positioned, if it's perfectly center, if it's closer to the edge. In my case I decided to go for a more natural square layout. Currently my stand and my screens are probably around 12 kilos in total, so I had an extra foot ready just in case. So I would recommend buying 2 boxes of these Capita feet just in case you might need an extra one depending on how much weight you're putting on here. So like I mentioned, there is screws included inside the feet box. However, we will need to check the depth of the screws and the depth of the board that you're actually going to be using. So what you can do is just grab the feet, bring them to the edge and just hold the screws next to it to make sure the screws aren't going to go through the actual board itself, so you don't have random nails sticking up. This would be really bad. Once you're happy with your positioning, you can start getting everything screwed in. In this case I did just get a drill and I just kind of gave a rough kind of guiding mark so I could get my screws in a little bit easier so they'd go down nicely. However, if you wanted to drill a full pilot hole you could do that as well depending on the size of the board. It'll make things a little bit easier for you depending on the materials you have. Once you have your position set and everything screwed up, it's pretty much done. You can put this on your desk and it can make a huge improvement. In my case I really just wanted to bring my monitors up a little bit higher and have kind of desk space underneath so I could put my keyboard and mouse underneath this, which is really nice. I do plan to make some other adjustments a little bit later on. In this case I would like to get some sort of USB hub or dock that I can stick on the bottom just underneath over here so I can plug my SD card and other USB ports in there nicely. I think this would be a nice addition, and if I make some big improvements I might make an updated video to show you the extra things you can do with this and a couple of other things I'd recommend. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to build a custom monitor stand from IKEA. I think it looks really nice, it's really easy to do, and if you're looking for some more desk space, it's a great idea to improve your overall setup. I'll be leaving links to everything in the description down below. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.